Hey, what's up, guys? Today is December 7th, 2017. The losing streak continues. It's like I'm seeing the markets totally different or something. I just need to go. This is what the journal's for. I'm going to go back this weekend and I'm going to look at what was going on these past few days and also look what was going on last time I had a winning streak. And just, see what I was doing then and see what it is I'm doing differently now. But it just seems like every single day. I actually got to a point today where I told myself, whatever you're about to do, just do the exact opposite. Maybe that'll work. I don't think I didn't implement that, but anyway, let's get into the trades today. EDU is the first trade. Took it twice. It started off with the win, shorted it, covered right here. Then I shorted it again. I thought we were going to really fail right here and covered before where my stop was. I got out really fast and it wouldn't have, I couldn't have got anything. It kind of grinded out. The next play, BITA. I longed it right here, and it just plummeted, and it hit my stop. Unlike DPW yesterday, it actually got me out. Even though it dropped really fast, it got me out at the correct price. Next play, Trox. I longed right here, and stopped out. Or marketed out. Let's see, Trox. Yeah, I marketed out right here. Next play, Home, Home. It had a huge run up, and it kind of double topped up here, and I drew this trend line, and I was waiting for it to fell this trend line right here, and it did fail. And so I shorted right there, and my stop was right there. It came and got my stop. Just consolidated and kept grinding up all day. The next play was Myo, MYO. We were wicking down here at the bottom, so I thought that was a good sign for longs, but now that I'm looking at it, we were wicking on the top too, so I don't think that was a very good indicator. Long right here, and I am not sure. I may have the entry wrong because I don't know why my stop would be this far down. My stop. Okay, no, I see it. That's correct. I got stop down. That's correct. The next play was SCMP. Longed it right. This basically sums up the kind of luck I'm having in the last 2 days. I almost said this week, but I've actually traded good this week. It was just yesterday and today. It's very isolated, but it's very easy for us as traders. We could literally win every single day for a month, lose 2 days in a row, and think the whole world is ending and ask what's wrong with me. I can't figure out what's going on. So yeah, this is only the second day, but this one feels a little worse than yesterday because it just seems like every single thing I picked was wrong. But what I was saying, let me get back to that. This sums up the last 2 days because I longed right here, got out right here, and look at that. So yeah. Next play was DPW, my favorite. The one that I'm not going to talk about yesterday, but shorted it right here, and it was kind of sitting still. There was a lot of volume and everything, but it was kind of being held in place, and it looked like it would push down, it would come up a little bit, and then it pushed up real hard, even though it didn't go very far. That made me, I'm already a little bit jumpy from DPW yesterday, so when one of these candles sort of just blasted up real fast, that I was like, I don't like this, and just got out right here. So that was DPW. I should have mentioned this. After DPW, I stopped trading. I was done trading for the day. I said, forget this. And I was making my charts, getting my charts ready for to do the after hours, all my prep work, after market prep work, the video and everything. And I was messing around with my charts, and I realized I was missing an indicator that I used to that I've been using forever, that I love. And I put it back on there, and that made my chart too crowded, so I had to take one of the indicators off. I ended up taking off an indicator that I've been using all week, and it hit me that, wow, you went just 100% full on with this brand new indicator and just completely removed this other indicator you've been using forever. So I'm not exactly sure. I haven't really taken a deep dive to diagnose the issue, but I took the new indicator off, put my old indicator, it's just sort of like an oscillator type of thing. It's ADX. I put that on my chart, and I opened my broker account back up and took another play. And the very first play, I nailed it. And that felt kind of good after the day that I had. So I decided I was going to take another trade, and that was this one right here. And this was okay. It just consolidated. It was just stuck in this channel right here, which the market's about to close in less than 1 minute, and it's still in the channel. So I longed it right here. I was in profit, and I had a really tight stop, so it was a super small loss. The previous play we just looked at, SQ, was a really big winner. I was still in the red for the day, but it really was a huge makeup play for me. These two plays did not eat into that SQ winner that much, but overall in the day, still a bit bad red day for me. But I didn't want to eat. The point I'm making is I did not want to eat into the SQ profits too much, because I had gotten back. Sorry, the bell just rang. I don't know if that picks up on my recording or not. Super loud in my headphones. So I was being very tight with the stops on this, and I mean the volume was huge, 13 million, and we were just, the volume was pouring in right here, and it was a super tight plate anyway, so it was kind of easy to keep my stop tight. We just never could. When I longed right here, I was looking to get right here, but we couldn't break above this. And when I shorted, I was looking to get right here, but we couldn't break out up. So that is a wrap. That's the recap, and I don't know if I'm going to trade tomorrow or not, but either way, we're going to keep the video journals going, good or bad. It is what it is. Trading's not always beautiful. Sometimes it's a little bit ugly, but that gives us an opportunity to grow, look back, see what we did wrong, keep those journals. That's what they're for. Have a good one, guys.